So very good morning everyone. Today we are going to unbox IET Labs OM Source Model 260. So this is the way we receive this unit. So first of all, you can see that this is the calibration certificate that we have just received. If you will go through this calibration certificate, you will find out this is a complete calibration certificate with all the values reported. You can see that. Okay, we'll keep it apart. Now we'll just open the main box. What we'll get. Okay, so first of all we do have this lead set, dual banana, 2 mini alligator clips. Then we have the manual of this, the instruction guide of this unit, and then we have the main unit. So you will see that very nice packaging. So what we will do is that, so this is the main unit that we have received, OM source model OS-260. So basically this is electronically controlled resistance box that we can set multiple values. It has a range from 1 ohm to up to 20 MOhm. You can see that with. Okay, so basically this source has a range from 1 ohm to 20 MOhm with a resolution of 0.1 ohm. So we can set any value from 1 ohm to 24 ohm with a resolution of 0.1 ohm. So we'll turn on this one, just press on this button. Okay, so you can see that it is showing around 10 MOhm, 10 to the power 6 ohms. So now we are going to explain few of the features of this unit. So before that, what we can do, we will connect this ohm source with our Keysight 34465A 6.5 lead multimeter. So these are 2 wires coming from the, so we will connect it like this and then connect this negative here. We can connect either of the side because this is a resistance box, so polarity doesn't matter. As you can see that the moment we have connected, now it's already showing 10 MOhm value, that you can see this, see that it is displaying exact 10 MOhm value. So first of all we'll start with the menu option, what it basically have. If you click on the menu option, you can see that standard values, and the second is configure, third is calibrate, fourth is settings. So just press one more. We'll press 1. So these are basically settings for this increment button knob. If we'll set 1%, then if we will move this knob, then the set value will increase by 1%. Similarly for 5%, the set value will increase by 5%. For 10%, if we move the knob, it will be by 10% increment. In ratio metric, it will be like 0.8% of the set value. So this is how we can set the increment value of this knob. And in second, if we press second button, then this is the configuration where we can adjust the LCD contrast of this LCD, and this is the auto option where this unit will off automatically after 4 minutes of inactivity. And then in third option basically used for calibration purpose, if you want to calibrate this. And the fourth one, if you see, this is about section and default settings and factory reset. So basically third option is if you want to reset the default settings of this instrument. And in fourth one, the factory reset, if you want to reset it to factory settings. So this is about the menu option. This is the incremental knob where you can increase the set value, as I told you, by 1%, 5%, 10%, or the ratio metric. Now we'll come to this ABCD option. So if you'll press, basically there are some pre-default saved values for these buttons. Like if you'll press A, you can see the 10 kilo ohm value is set. If you press B, the 100 kilo ohm value is set. If you press C, then 1 mega ohm value, you can see that. And if you press D, then 1.5 mega ohm, you can see that here it is reading. Now we'll come to the volt section. Here this is the section. Here you can set the maximum voltage that you want to keep in this, want to apply in this. So usually it sets around 0.5 volt in order to protect this instrument from high voltage damage. Here the incremental button, if you press, you will see that this is the value set by which the set value will increase if we will use this knob. For example, if you will see, if you press, again we'll just reset it to 255. So 255 is the increment. So we'll go back, we will press 100. Just you press 100, enter, it will show the 100 value. You can see that here. Now if you press knob, you can see that 355. So it has increased by 255. 100 plus 255. If you press again 610 again, so it is increasing in the incremental of 255. So as shown in this increment button. So we can set any value that by which we want to increase the set value by this knob. This open button, if you will press this open button, let's go back, then it will open the circuit. You can see that here now no value is coming. Okay, these are the keypad digits. Here you can set any value using these. Suppose you want to set 1 2, if you want to set 1 2.12, so you can see that 12.12 it is showing. Or suppose you want to set any value on 100.56, so it will show a similar value too. Now this is basically the back button. Suppose you want to enter 11156 and we want to just get back to, press this button. Okay, and this is basically the stored value, STO value. So here this is value basically used to store the values in A, B, C, D or any of these 0 to 9 keypad values. For example, if you want to store any value at these of the buttons, suppose at 8 you want to store 100 kilo ohm, 100 ohms suppose, then you enter this value. Okay, and then you press the store button and then you press 8 button. Now the 100 ohm value is set at 8. You want to verify it, just go back, press any other value, 15. So it is showing 15. Now press 8 button. For that you just need to use the recall button. Press recall button and press 8. So you can see 100 ohm is set at this 8. Similarly you can set any value on any of these buttons. Similarly at A, B, C, D also if you want to change the pre-default saved value. Okay, so this is all about the functions of this. Now we are going to just test this unit with respect to the calibration certificate that we received. You will see. So we'll start with any random value, suppose 1 ohm. You will press 1 ohm or press 10 ohm. Okay, so you can see that 10 ohm is coming, and this is the value. The accuracy of this is basically plus minus 0.01%. So you can see that it is basically within the limits. You press, we want to test 100 ohm, press, you can see there what is the value is coming, 100.04. Similarly any value, suppose 1 kilo ohm you want to test, you can see that it is coming. So it can go maximum up to 25 mega ohm. Now we'll go to suppose 10 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm basically. You can see the 100 kilo ohm is coming, and 1 mega ohm, if you want to 6 digits, 1 mega ohm is coming. So it basically goes up to 24 megohm. So we'll just check 10 megohm. So 10 megohm is coming, and then we'll just enter 24 megohm. So it's maximum going up to 25 megohm. That is why it is displaying 25 megohm. So this is how you can use this instrument to source very precise resistance value, and you can use any of the measurement instrument to verify its performance, like we are using Keysight C465A 6.5 digital multimeter. On the back side, this unit comes with all the details like model number, serial number, calibration certificate, then all the specification, like for below 1000 ohms it has accuracy of plus minus 0.5 ohm, and above 1000 ohms it has accuracy of 0.1%. And this is basically sourced by 4 AAA alkaline batteries. So you require these 4 AAA alkaline batteries in order to operate this unit. So this was all about IIT Labs OS-260. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.